Tired of your lanyard designs looking flat and uninspired? Today, I'll show you how to create a realistic lanyard mockup in Canva in just a few easy steps. Transforming your designs into eye-catching visuals first, head over to Canva and in the search bar, type Lanyard Mockup. Browse through the templates or select a blank canvas to start from scratch. For this tutorial we are choosing a blank template. Now, upload your lanyard design by clicking on the Uploads tab and selecting your file, usually a PNG file. Drag and drop your design onto the lanyard template, resize and position it carefully to fit the lanyard area, ensuring proper alignment. Select your design, then click the Effects button. In the toolbar, scroll down and find the Mockups option and click See All. Several mockup options will appear. Select Smartmockups. Now, play around with the angle, perspective, and intensity to achieve a realistic work for your design. For a more professional look, customize the background. You can upload a new image, choose a solid color, or even blur the existing background to make the lanyard stand out. And there you have it, a realistic lanyard mockup created in Canva, ready to impress your clients or elevate your marketing materials.